Hey, this is Matthew Tringali, CEO and co-founder of BetterWho. I'm here in El Salvador and I'm hanging out with Walter. Walter, how you doing?
I'm doing so good. Thank you for this opportunity to work with you. Believe me, it's a really great experience to work with BetterWho.
That's awesome. Walter, how long have you been working for the property management company you're with right now?
I have now 5 months with BetterWho working with you, and it's been a really great experience. I've been learning a lot with the company that I'm working with. And believe me, it's something that I don't know what to think because I could do this before because it's a really great adventure to work with you.
And what position do you have at the property management company?
At the moment, I'm working as a leasing coordinator. I'm helping a lot with the team, making calls, trying to rent the properties, and also I'm helping the maintenance coordinator to keep everything in order.
What's something that you've seen, like when you showed up and now that you're there and because of the work that you've done, it's gotten better at the company?
Something that I've seen is that the communication, it has improved a lot. It's something that maybe the feedback that we provide is something that they take really serious, and it's something that I have seen an improvement, communication.
That's awesome. What softwares do you guys use?
Right now, I'm using UMA, that is the telephone software, Tenant Turner, Buildium, and MLS.
Okay, awesome. And by the way, how many remote team members work there at your company?
Oh, I have three guys, yeah, and it's been great working with them because they are from different countries. So I'm learning a lot with the company, but as well I'm learning from their culture.
And what are you most excited about this year in 2025 at the property management company and with your job and your career path there?
The first time that I'm seeing a high season, and it's something that has been increasing a lot. People is looking for properties. We are trying to give the best customer service and as well give a smooth process to get a house. That's something that's really important. Provide a house, look for something that the people is interested and it feels comfortable with a new property.
That's awesome. Thanks for joining us here
You're
today.
welcome.